gonna look into that, like that strap. I have a GoPro.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Especially for some of these runs.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Like I want to say it.
Every season is like different. When everything starts blooming, it looks so nice. Have you taken your, does your wife like hiking?
Yeah.
Have you guys done any hikes around here?
Yeah, we did a bunch.
Good.
North Cheyenne, Ute Valley,
Yep.
Bear Creek, Pulpit Rock.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Palmer. Yeah. Hi.
Hey, morning. It's nice to see that we're not the only ones.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. Oh, it's Black Forest too.
Oh, I want to go there.
Yeah. Yeah, we have two loops. You have a 5K, 6K,
Okay.
and the other one I think it's 9.
Oh, okay.
So about 5-6 miles, I guess. Morning.
It was like the college years, huh?
Yeah, I'm very fast.
Yeah. You'll see, it's really nice to see some of the runners at that Garden of the Gods. They're impressive.
Yeah. Yeah, straight. All right. Oops, sorry.
Oh, you good?
So I'm right here.
No runners.
Yeah. Hi.
Morning.
We can either continue straight or left.
Okay, I'll just follow you.
Okay, let's go straight for a change. Yeah, recently I've been watching people who record their runs
Yeah.
like this, and I saw a group of people doing the Grand Canyon.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, wow, it looks so nice.
Yes. I want to do one of the runs in Utah.
Oh yeah?
Those are nice. The, like arches.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's so pretty down
Yeah.
there. Are you going to Mexico once in a while?
No.
No?
No. I want to. I just haven't had a chance to.
Your parents are in California, you said, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
They go pretty often.
Yeah.
My mom wants me to go to El Salvador next year, so I'll probably do that.
Do you bring your kids or?
Maybe.
Yeah.
We'll see. They'll probably just be my youngest.
Yeah.
That'll be nice though.
Yeah. El Salvador, that's where they adopted Bitcoin, I think, no?
That's where?
They adopted Bitcoin there, no?
So I'm not
El
sure.
Salvador, yeah. I think the president is very pro cryptocurrency.
Oh. Interesting.
Yeah. But no, you are about to ask for France, I guess. If I'm going back to France, or maybe you are not. But I'm not going very often.
Oh really?
Very 2 years maybe.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's
2
good.
3 years. Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully next year. When I was small I used to go to Mexico, but
Yeah.
not now. And I've never been to El Salvador, so that would have been nice. That would be nice.
Yeah. You have family there?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
My mom still has a sister over there.
Nice.
And uncle on her end.
Cool. And your parents they met in Mexico or
They met in California.
California?
At
Okay.
work.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Long time ago.
Hi. Morning.
Yeah, they met in California.
Uh-huh.
Married. They knew each other for like 4 months. Got married
Wow.
and been together since.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Are you coming tomorrow for a run? Or?
I don't know yet.
You don't know?
I think I am.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't have anything really planned for Sunday morning, so usually it's like the incline,
Yeah.
so I'm not doing it tomorrow. And I do enjoy that run,
Uh-huh.
the bear one.
Uh-huh. yeah, definitely need to add the incline in my schedule. I would love to do it, you know, at least once a month or something.
Yeah. I can tell you, I think you'll enjoy that.
Yeah. And I'm curious to see the bar trail as well.
Yeah.
But it looks very nice, but it's going up like crazy. So we'll see.
The trees look so nice.
Yeah.
Poor things.
Yeah.
Those branches.
Yeah, my new house, we have like 20, 30 trees.
Oh wow.
So I need to go check it
Oh wow.
to make sure everything is good.
Yeah. When do you guys get to move in?
End of June.
Oh,
Yeah.
soon?
So they are finishing the basement,
Yeah.
and we will be able to move at that point. I was thinking to take my my vest, but I think it's a good idea I didn't.
Yeah.
Sure, I barely drink anything.
Yeah.
Just need to open your mouth.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Oh man. Oof. Right?
Right.
Yeah, and there's a left.
Oh, I see.
This way,
Okay.
technically. Okay. Whoa. Wow.
It's so amazing.
Yeah.
The house is huge.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah, it's a nice neighborhood.
Yeah.
On Facebook, which group are you in? Colorado running group?
Running, yep.
Okay. And I should look for Francesca.
Yeah, it said Fran.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which one are you under? The same one?
Yeah, my name on it is yeah, the same group. Colorado Springs Running Group.
Okay.
And my name is Francois Xavier.
Oh, okay.
Francisco Javier. Yeah. It's probably the only one. Probably is. Pretty sure. Okay, we're almost there.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
It was fun.
Yeah.
I really liked it.
I'm glad I ran into you.
Yeah, when I arrived, I'm like, I guess I'm alone.
That's what I see. Well, maybe these guys, maybe I'll just tag along with these guys.
Do you have any race plan?
Huh?
Do you have any race scheduled?
No, just that garden that got so far.
Yeah, no, guys.
Yeah.
10 miles, you said, no?
Yep.
Okay. The road or the trail?
Road.
Road, okay.
I do have I might do trail at the end of July. With Pikes Peak with Mad Moose. Yeah, I have one. I'll probably do the 30K.
Wow, that's good. I never did a race in a trail.
Oh, you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
You're going to love it.
Yeah, I see some of the guys in the group who do like 50K in a trail.
It's insane.
Yeah. 50 miles or 50K? Actually, I'm not sure. We arrived.
Yay! That was a good little route.
Yeah, it was fun. Good job.
Yeah, thanks.
Good job.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was fun.